Hey guys, Portia here, and today I'll be opening up my very first Sublimation subscription box. So I got this as a Christmas present from my husband, and I thought it was really thoughtful because he knows that I enjoy surprises. So it is from Johnson Plastic Plus. I just received it and I wanted to go ahead and open it up with you guys. So let's check out what's inside. All right, so we start off with this little sheet. So this is pretty much showing me everything that comes inside. So we got some pendants, poker chips. Ooh, a 30-ounce skinny tumbler. I have not worked with that. Let's see, a white hardboard round. We gotta take a little deeper dive into that. Then we have a onesie. What's over here? Hand sanitizer, cozy, and then some microfiber cleaning cloth. So let's take a look at these items. Everything is so nicely packed. All right, y'all, this is what I am excited about. I should have saved this for last, but I'm gonna go ahead and open it now. A 30-ounce skinny tumbler. So I have not worked with this yet. Hadn't even really thought about it. Of course, I've been seeing them on like TikTok and Etsy and Pinterest, all that stuff, but I never really thought about working with one myself. So I'm excited. I'm definitely gonna design something cute for this particular tumbler. So I'll probably do it in Canva, and then I'll do a follow-up video of how I sublimate it on, and probably add some bling with some resin and all that good stuff. That's what I like to do with my sublimation tumblers, y'all. I like to be extra. So let's set that aside. All right, so this must be our poker chips. So I have not used these before. I actually don't know anyone who plays poker, but it should be interesting to play with and work with. You know, let's see what we're gonna do with them. All right, so these must be the little key rings that goes with our cozies here. So yeah, that's pretty dope. You know, everybody carries around hand sanitizer these days, and it's 10 in here. Wow, that's a pretty good amount to, like, you know, practice on. Yeah, no complaints there. A onesie. Everybody has or knows somebody with a kid. So yeah, this is definitely something I can set aside for the grandbaby. And this is actually pretty good quality. Yeah, cool beans. We got 2 microfiber cloths, so everybody can use these on the cell phones, you know, tablets, on your eyeglasses. So it's funny, my brother just asked me for a cleaning cloth for his glasses, and I was like, I have one somewhere around here. I do. Now I have 2 more. All right, so these little pendants, so you get 2 in the package. And so I see it's like a 2-parter, 2-piecer. Oh yeah, I'm making a mess. All right, so we would sublimate, of course, on the white side. We add it here. I think this would be dope as a keychain as well. It doesn't have to be a pendant, it could be a keychain. So yeah, I'll see what I'll do with that. Set that aside. And last but not least, so let me look back at the page here. It says that this is a unisub white hardboard round. So okay, a door sign, different things like that. I probably would have to like drill a little hole there to be able to hang it or something like that. But yeah, this would be nice. You can hang it up in your room, like they said on the dorm. I'm sorry, on the door. Oh yeah, a dorm door. That would work too, right? So yeah, guys, I actually am pretty excited about this. You know, with these subscription services, you never really know what you're gonna get. I mean, and that is just a flat out truth. You don't know. But for this to be my very first one, I think we got some really, really good stuff in it, and I cannot wait to start playing with all these items, because the great thing about it is the only thing I think I've actually sublimated on before, of course, a tumbler. It's just that the biggest one I've ever done was a 20 ounce. But I've done onesies before. But these other items I actually haven't even thought about. The poker chips, that's kind of dope. Have definitely seen people do the cozies for the sanitizers, but I never thought about doing it for myself. Now I have 10 of them to pretty much give away to my families and friends. But yeah, guys, this is all I have for you today. I just want to share with you what came inside the box of my Sublimation subscription service. I'm looking forward to see what I get next month. I don't know how long I am going to continue to get the service. It's just that if they continue to put good stuff in the box that I can use, you know, or make videos on every single month, then I'm gonna keep it as long as I can. But yeah, I just want to share this with you. If you got any questions, concerns, emotional outbursts, let me know. If you found this video helpful, can you go ahead and give it a thumbs up? But as always, guys, until next time, peace.